Welcome back. This is Franklin from Ask Franklin YouTube channel. We are here on our concluding series on a script to process Twitter feeds with regular expression using Perl. We've already done part one of the series and we've declared our main program function here. And the function is we stopped at with regular expression. We have declared here to copy every match of this URL pattern and every pattern of this URL tweet, and then store the new tweet in .mda file, a Microsoft Access file, and copy the old tweets and create a new file extension matching this regular expression as well, if there is a file name given or if there is no file name given for this regular expression. And here we check in if our current file is empty initially. Then we use a while loop, to go through to iterate through every line of the file name argument that is passed from here. But if there is no file name argument, that is, if there is no file name argument passed on the line and straight on a command line, if you prompt user with this usage message with a Perl, and the variable zero is automatically assigned to the file name, and it will display this error to user, so that it gives the user a prompt on how what should be expected. Just to show you a demonstration for an example, I have this for an example with no argument given. You get this usage which I'm showing you here. The sequence that this should be entered should be followed by Perl, followed by the file that you need to process and the file name, and these three argument that is required. And we went ahead and declared uh, a handle for our open file save, and here we have the open file save, which reads in if the file already exists, it prompts user with a message that the file already exists. If the file doesn't exist already, so it prompts user with a prompt message. For an example, if I was to use this prompt message, because the URL, the test file is already there, so it's prompting me if I want to append, to add to the end of our test file, or if we just want to overwrite the test file and start from the scratch. Well, in this situation we want to append to the test file, but just to clear this out, no, we want to append to the test file. Let me start this just from the scratch again, and just to show you our command line prompts. And what do we want to do here? We want to run our process tweet with regular expression in Perl scripts, and we have to give it the file name that we want to process. Just to show you the tweet file name, these are the tweets file we want to, this was already done, a demonstration of what I've done earlier before while this was offline. Just to delete these .md file that I've already created initially. Okay, and these are the tweet file. The tweet file 1 is covered with these tweet feeds that is unreadable. We cannot really process, cannot make sense of what is on this tweet feed. and the tweet file 2 is same, just some gibberish jargons from copied from tweet feeds, and tweet 3 is same as well, gibberish jargon copied from tweet feeds. So go ahead now and process these tweets, and we delete this URL and just to get us a fresh URL, to create a fresh URL for us from the tweets and the URL on the tweet. With this script now we'll type, say we're going tweets1.txt, because those were all tweet test file, and tweet2.txt, and then tweet3.txt. So we have the three arguments there on the command line from our Perl script to process. If this, yep, this was successful, everything was well processed. Now we go to this directory where it was stored in. We should see the .mda file, the Microsoft Access file that was created. Yep, just exactly. Our time here is 11:39, and this was created when for us? Yep, exactly 11:39. And there is a URL feed. The URL was also created at 11:39 on the 18th of July 2015. Just to have a look at the URL field for an example, you see this was web processed on the tweets1.txt. These are the URL feed on tweets1.txt, and URL feed on tweets2.txt, and this tweets2.txt and the tweets3.txt. These are the URL feed on tweets3.txt as well. Just to go ahead and show you the processed tweets that are well readable at this stage. We just open this with Notepad++, and we have this. Voila, this is way well readable. Now we can read from here now. New referral scheme, better chance to get an iPad 2, reading iPhone, enter now to win an iPad 2. So we just open again our tweets2.mda file with Notepad++ as well. Here we have, here clearly readable. If you like, use big grammar that Queen Elizabeth is here to approve. Nollywood. If you need somebody to do some good writing, you hire an Irishman. If you want to be a leader, then you got to lead President Barack Obama. If you want to listen to the Pirates of the Caribbean, click on the picture below. If you are waiting for the opportune moment, that was it. Jack Sparrow, Pirates of the Caribbean. And these are the tweets test that was unreadable before. This was from tweet2.txt, just to show you this tweet. This was it. Initially we couldn't make sense of this tweet, and it was all copied tweet feed that was pasted here. But with this regular expression script written in Perl, we were able to process these tweet feeds and make sense of these loads of rubbish tweet feed that was pasted at randomly from Twitter onto this test script. So we've demonstrated to you today on how to use Perl and regular expression to process tweet feeds, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. And to view more of, to get a source code to this script if you do need it, and if you want to research more on regular expression in Perl, visit our website on fagroup fagroup.ie, and at f, just to show you our file, then you should be able to access then our source code to this script, and thank you for watching this video.